Today we will visit Stonehenge. Tucked away on the sun-kissed southern coast of Western Australia, where turquoise waves crash against blinding white sands, lies a marvel you wouldn't expect to find in the remote Australian outback, a full-size replica of Stonehenge. But unlike the weathered ancient stones of Salisbury Plain in England, the Esperance Stonehenge stands in pristine, surreal contrast. Massive pink granite monoliths, arranged in perfect Neolithic symmetry, under the wide blue Australian sky. Esperance itself is a sleepy coastal town, known for its powdery beaches and the famous Lucky Bay kangaroos. But take a short drive inland, through fields of wheat and canola, and you'll stumble upon something that feels like a glitch in history, a prehistoric monument, seemingly teleported into modern rural farmland. At first glance, it's disorienting. Why is there a Stonehenge here? And why does it look brand new? Esperance Stonehenge isn't a theme park gimmick. It's a fully realized, scientifically aligned replica of what the original Stonehenge is believed to have looked like around 1950 BC, before time and erosion took their toll. The structure was built by local landowners in 2011, after plans for a similar project in Margaret River fell through. Using 137 locally quarried pink granite stones, each weighing up to 50 tons, the result is breathtaking and oddly spiritual. The stones are aligned to the summer and winter solstices, just like the original. On the morning of the summer solstice, the sun rises directly above the heelstone and casts light into the center of the structure. It's a magical, almost eerie moment that connects ancient design with celestial rhythm. Walking among the stones, you feel the weight, both literal and metaphorical, of history. The scale of the structure is overwhelming. Each megalith towers overhead, and the echo of your footsteps bounces eerily in the central circle. Unlike the original Stonehenge, where visitors are roped off and kept at a distance, here you can walk right up, touch the granite, and feel its cool, ancient texture. Photography enthusiasts will adore the light play at sunrise and sunset. Historians and curious minds will find themselves questioning the mystery of the original monument and the modern desire to recreate it. If you're road tripping through Esperance and Western Australia, then Esperance Stonehenge is a quirky, unexpected stop that makes you pause. It invites questions. What drives us to recreate the ancient? What do monuments mean in a modern context? It's not just a tourist curiosity. It's a portal into time, philosophy, and the human urge to leave a mark. How to get there? Esperance is about an 8-hour drive southeast of Perth, and Stonehenge is just 10 minutes from Esperance, along Merivale Road. Entry fee. A small fee is charged to support maintenance, and it's well worth it. Best time to visit. Sunrise and sunset for the dramatic shadows and colors. Visit during the summer solstice, December 21st, for the full solar alignment effect. Combine it with beach day at Twilight Cove or scenic drive through Cape Le Grand National Park. Esperance Stonehenge is more than just a replica. It's a conversation starter. It's a reminder that even in the most isolated parts of the world, people are still drawn to mystery, meaning, and megaliths. Bring your camera, bring your curiosity, and prepare to be surprisingly moved. Some facts about Esperance Stonehenge and its layout. 10 inner trilithon stones form a horseshoe and weight between 28 to 50 tons each, with an 18-ton lintel laying over each pair, reaching a height of 8 meters. Inside the trilithon horseshoe stands another smaller horseshoe of 19 blue stones. Lying at the base of the tallest trilithon stone lies the altar stone, which weighs 9 ton. Outside the trilithon horseshoe lies a circle of 40 smaller stones that are referred to as the Blue Stone Circle. The perimeter consists of 30 sarsen stones, weighing 28 tons each, with 8-ton lintels lining the top. Together they reach a height of nearly 5 meters. So, you want to know how this build progressed? From quarry, cutting, transportation, site, preparation, foundations, establishing correct alignment, installation and placement of the stones. Well, this book, The Building of Esperance Stonehenge 2011, tells the story and includes pictures of all, including pictures of a summer solstice in 2011 and a winter solstice in 2012. To purchase the book, make a booking, or arrange to undertake drone footage, contact Esperance Stonehenge. Website: www.esperancestonehenge.com.au. Email: esperancestonehenge@outlook.com. Facebook: Esperance Stonehenge Western Australia. Instagram @Esperance Stonehenge. Phone: 879 275 903.